Hello friends, today we'll install Spirotrack lithium ion battery pack 60 volt 30 ampere hour on Okinawa Ridge electric scooter which was a lead acid model and the battery was not giving a good performance. So we are converting it into Spirotrack lithium ion battery pack. So for the installation process, first open the dicky and unscrew all the nuts. After that, remove this cover, and behind that you will see 5-piece 12 volt lead acid battery which is 60 volt in total. So we have to remove this seat cover and seat, then remove all these 5 battery lead acid battery. So first we have to remove this plate and remove all the previous wiring from the battery, and then one by one remove all the 5 battery. So all the 5 batteries removed, 5 into 12 volt 60 volt in total. So this is Spirotrack lithium ion battery pack 60 volt 30 ampere hour with the industrial grade coupler, and this is a heavy duty battery with aluminum casing for better performance and high efficiency. So for the installation process, we have to remove the previous wiring harness which was installed on the lead acid battery. So we have to cut the tie belt and remove. And from the front side also, the charging port is there, we have to remove the coupler. After that we will remove the positive wiring from the NCB. Now this is the bus bar, we have to remove like this and remove the negative wire from this. So now the wiring harness is completely removed. Now we'll take the battery terminal connector which will be provided with our battery pack. So on the black wire you have to connect the same pin. And on the front side there is a 2-port charging socket, but our battery is 3-port charging socket. So we have to change this socket to the 3-port socket. So this is the 3-port socket installed. And now we have to use the tie belt and securely take the wires to the terminal part. So this is the red for the positive supply and black for the negative supply. It comes here, and now we connect the black with the black, and then it will be connected to the battery. And this black is connected for the further supply to the controller and other parts. Now fix the bus bar at the correct place. Now we take the previous wire with the pin and connect with both the red wire to extend the supply towards the MCB. So the one wire from the battery coupler and one wire going towards the front area for the front charging socket. So this is the red and black wire for the charging socket on the front side. So both the red wire is connected and it is connected to one wire which will further supply towards the MCB. It is connected here. So via this wire 60 volt power supply will be forwarded further via MCB. Now we have installed the battery pack, Spirotrack lithium ion battery pack 60 volt 30 ampere hour. Now you can take it out and charge, or you can charge from the front side. Now place this cover and the installation process is complete. With the Spirotrack lithium ion battery pack, you will get 3 years warranty, and it's a high efficiency battery which will give you a longer life. And you can see the motor is working at a speed of 65 km/h. You can contact us at the above number or WhatsApp us for any inquiry or sales. So this is our showroom. You can purchase from here also.